So I got a new product today from the TikTok shop. Don't mind me. Been painting all day. Got paint in my hair. I'm a mess. But anyways, I am so excited because today's my daughter's birthday and I get to learn how to do her nails and just have that bonding experience with her. It is an awesome kit. It has a pro base in it, an activator, a finish gel, a gel thinner, and it comes with 4 dip powders. Let me show you what's inside. So here's what's inside. You have your pro base, which is here, and then your activator. Okay, and then you have your finish gel, and then your dip gel thinner, and then it comes with 4 dip powders, which I think are really great colors, especially for my 11-year-old. And don't mind my nails, they definitely need done. I have paint all over me right now. But this is so cute, and I'm just so beyond excited to be able to do my daughter's nails. And then it also gives you like step-by-step instructions. So that's very helpful. I can't wait to try this out.